A clinical psychologist explains how daily exposure to nature lowers cortisol and lifts mood through simple, doable steps. In an intimate interview, a therapist shares grounding techniques and cognitive strategies that helped a client regain balance. Another segment shows how designing calm workspaces and planned microbreaks at home and work alike can slash burnout while boosting creativity. A mindfulness expert leads a concise 5-minute routine, guiding breath, body scan, and a gentle release of tension. Viewers are invited to share coping stories, seek professional help when needed, and prioritize compassionate self-care.